Why, hello, and thank you for tuning in to Medicating with Sound. Apparently, I'm a big dork. You didn't know? Well, on my last, I did a Megatoke video a little while ago, and on the last Megatoke video, I did something, but I didn't know. And you guys taught me, and I'd like to thank you. And I'm going to show you today what it is that I learned from you guys. And thank you. It's all my Megatoke stuff. Okay, so last time I made a video. I did the Megatoke with this glass right here. And I got an adapter. And I put an adapter on the on my glass, which you don't actually need to do with the Megatoke, which is kind of cool. And I'm going to show you what I did and what you should, or what you could do. I mean, you can do what you want, but tap this down a little bit. Very nice. A little bit more because we want to get a nice big fatty hit. All right. So last time I got my Megatoke, and I got an adapter to make this male into a female, and then I put this end of my Megatoke in it so I could toke, right? Duh! All you gotta do, and I didn't know this, all you gotta do is you take this little rubber piece and you flip it around. Bink. Kerbam! Now it fits on male joints. I didn't know that! So let's go ahead and do a quick ripper with the Megatoke with this. And I haven't actually even done this this way yet. So let's go. I like to get it started first. Okay. Cheers! Oh my, oh my, oh my. Oh my. Whoa. Megatokes dispense quite a hit. Whoa. Yeah, that was my first bong hit of the day, and that worked really well for me. Sorry I haven't been uploading as much lately. You can kind of tell I'm a little nasally. I got sick, so I just been kind of taking it easy, not really smoking too much. This is the first hit I had today, and it's noon. I haven't really been smoking or uploading too much, so I apologize for that. But I'm feeling much better, and I will be getting some more uploads up as soon as possible. I just got a little bit more time on this to kind of clear it up, and then I'll be back to normal channel shenanigans. But I just wanted to show you this thing about the Megatoke that I didn't know. And if you want to get your own Megatoke, you can use my coupon code SOUNDDRONE420. All you got to do is go to megatoke.com. And I think that's all I got for today. I just wanted to show you that quick little smoke sesh. As you tell, I'm still a little nasally, so I'm still kind of not 100%. Not 100%. But we'll be back soon for more shenanigans. Peace the fuck out. Later, y'all.